Joining us live now is Mike Armstrong, president of Armstrong Advisory Group. Mike, great to see you. So look, we're in the midst of the last minute holiday shopping here, last couple of weeks before Christmas and Hanukkah. People won't get the credit card bills if they're shopping on credit until January. Does this help them at all? And then, as you peek into 2025, what are we expecting when it comes to the benchmark interest rate?
Well, I unfortunately just don't have great news for you if you are a borrower out there of much of any kind. Yes, the Fed lowering interest rates should eventually make its way into credit cards, but I'll tell you, it hasn't done much to this point. So this Federal Reserve meeting, they're expected to lower rates by another 1/4%, but very possible they're going to take a pause from here. On the credit card side, credit card companies have actually been increasing or maintaining rates out of concerns that there may be some new rules going into place on late payments and other fees that they assess. And so you really haven't seen much in the way of interest rates on credit cards for those carrying a balance. Likewise, on mortgage rates, you've actually seen rates go up since the Fed started cutting rates. So it's been a bit of a conundrum out there for borrowers.
Yeah, that's certainly been interesting to see that happen. We're kind of in that time of year people start to think about their finances a lot more. On the tax front, what should you be doing right now to make sure you have everything ready as you head into what's going to be tax season coming up kind of soon?
Oh, geez. Yeah, I mean, last few weeks here. So, certainly for your folks that are retired and have started required minimum distribution age, make sure you're speaking with your tax professional, your financial advisor or investment custodian to figure out your required minimum amount that you've satisfied it for the year. If you want to do any gifting or tax loss harvesting or tax gain harvesting, all that stuff needs to be done by December 31st. You've got a little bit of extra time if you're going to be doing an IRA contribution, but things like Roth conversions, charitable contributions, all those things need to be done by December 31st. And there's no leeway there. So, get out your list. If there are things you had to do by December 31st, now's the time because all those companies start getting busy around this time of year.
And then lastly, Mike, usually on the resolutions list, it's like weight loss number one, improving finances number two. For folks putting that on the list this year for things they're trying to make happen in 2025, what do you tell people if they're trying to achieve their financial goals?
If you're starting at step one needs to be a budget. It's not fun, it's not enjoyable, but step one needs to be figuring out, okay, yeah, I blew a little bit too much over the holidays. What does go onto those credit cards and what am I going to try and stick to in 2025? It's not a fun exercise, but everything else between 401ks and rewards credit cards and everything else that you can do takes a back seat to how much am I spending on my own needs today and what will it be in the future.
All right, Mike Armstrong of Armstrong Advisory Group. Great to see you as always, and we'll see you back here in 2025.
Thank you.